Hey, we know about that, how to convert drawing file into PDF file, because we have already discussed about on that topic, okay? And now we are going to discuss how to convert, use PDF file into drawing file. So welcome back, I'm Akhil and there everybody watching Akhil Engineering Tech. So guys, please don't try to skip this video, and this video will gonna show informative and amazing at end, okay? So guys, please watch this video at end, okay? Now I'm going to take this window, okay? And first go to this insert palette, okay? And here attach option, click on that, and after that I'm going to this document sessions, and I'm going to use any PDF file, okay? I'm going to use this one. This one is our PDF file, okay? And there you can see there is only one pages in our PDF, okay? And you can choose multiple pages of PDF also, okay? And now we have nothing to do anything, have to leave as it is as a default, and we have to click on this, okay? This drawing will appear over here, okay? So I'm going to zoom in. This is our drawing, okay? And now I'm going to select this drawing, okay? When you select, there is a lot of option, and I'm going to describe all of it. This is the option for contrast, and this is the contrast. See this, when you click on that, light will high and less, okay? And this is the contrast. I'm going to high and fade. This is the fade. See this, okay? And this is the monochrome option. When you click on that, it appear in black and white, okay? Black and white. So, and when you click on that, show underline, click on, the drawing will not appear, okay? So I'm going to press again, and this is the enable snap. How it's work? I enable this snap and line command, press enter, and after that, see there is a tracing, there is a extension or snapping this point, okay? And this is the way how to use this snap mode, okay? Again select that, and after that, last one of this import is object, okay? So I'm going to press over here and select corner, first corner, and this is one of the last corner, okay? And press enter. After that, see this video already in this form, I mean in our drawing form. You can edit, you can do anything. Let's see, this is selectable. Let's see, this is selectable, this is also selectable, this is also selectable, and I'm going to erase it, press E and this. And this is the way, guys, how to convert PDF file into the drawing file, and this is the way how to edit. You can do anything.